sa Lucena. Kainan na naman mga ka-BFF. Ano ba yan? Thank you Lord. Salamat po. Yun o. Hello, hello. Magtatrabaho. Ayan, tapos na tayo for collaboration with JT sa Wakra. Babalik tayo dyan to support Wakra Souk.
Yeah.
Balik tayo para sa another support. Ang babait ng mga may-ari. So, thank you kay Iowa Nation for inviting us. Hindi tayo nakakalimutan ni Iowa. Ayan. Next destination to, ano tayo?
Match for Hope.
Match for Hope. So, hopefully makita natin si Mr. Beast and sino ba? Jonas Brother. Ayan.
Brothers. Chainsmokers.
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 Stadium na tayo mga ka-BFF. So, medyo nahuli tayo sa oras. Gawa ng nagkapag-collab pa tayo. Pero, ayan, at least nandito na tayo sa loob. Kahit na natin sila Tia and Ian. Guys. Ang saya ni Tia. Ayan, sobrang ihing-ihi kami. Lain na nilakad namin. Nag-toilet na kami bago kami pumasok. Mag-start na siya in 5 minutes. Sana hintayin kami. So, ang tawag dito, Match for Hope. Mag-enjoy tayo sa panonood. Makita natin si Mr. Beast. Tapos, yung magandang mga ka-concert nila makikita natin dito. guys, tie na. Yung team ni Mr. Beast 4, yung kalaban 4 din. So, tabla-tabla. Yan, update. Pasok, pasok, pasok. Tapos na siya. Pauwi na kami. Malay-lay ulit ang nilakad, guys. Ayan. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog na to. Hope you like this one. So, patay gutom na ho ako. Gutom na. So, wala kaming normal na kain. Ayan. Tapos, ang mahal pa ng popcorn. Popcorn, 22 reals. Ang liit-liit.
Dito po tayo. Yan.
Parang hindi makatarungan yung popcorn. Eh, magkano lang ang popcorn? Uy, dito daw.
Yan ba?
Sinong tama sa inyo? Yan, nahanap namin yung sasakyan. Kasi dun tayo sa dulo eh. Hindi naman tayo nag-park dyan eh. Ayan. Hi sis! Kaway sa aming YouTube. Uy, subscribe kayo. Meron siyang channel. Ano ang channel
Merch
mo?
Life Adventure sa YouTube.
Ilalagay ko dyan.
Yes.
Itatag natin yung iyong channel. Naka-follow na tayo. Ayan. Visit kayo dito mga ka-BFF Qatar. Solid Rock. Yung mga friends ko dito rin, nag-i-inquire din.
Oo, sila
Yung
na.
alaga ko kasi,
Thank you for the attention. We really appreciate your coming so much. Thank you.
thank you
It's
for
good to have
having
you.
us again.
Sir, invite them to come here.
Yeah, invite.
Yeah, I think it's good that we could have time today to let parents know about inclusion.
Yes.
That education is not to be done in isolation or by discrimination. You know, by my experience, kids that we look down on turns out to be the best in the class. If they are given their space, they are given their place, and even their pace.
Yes.
And the attention that is accordingly is apportioned. You have wonderful kids. And kids have also capacity to grow and outgrow any challenge. Really want to thank you so much. And
Station, right?
we can have now for those people that are coming, especially today. They are free registration and also free assessment.
Free assessment.
Just today.
Yes, today.
Alright.
Because we have limited space now. Parents are coming in, so we have to make use of the opportunity of time.
Okay. Thank you for the information, sir.
It's good to make hay while it's sunshine. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate
We shall walk